It has been tens of thousands of years since the last human took their final breath, and the Earth's environment has long undergone drastic transformations. The planet's current atmosphere is humid, scorching, low in oxygen, and filled with the pungent odor of sulfur compounds. All complex animals and plants are long extinct. The yellowish-brown Earth lies bleak and desolate. Scattered across the ground are patches of reflective, sticky fluid, the only remaining carbon-based life on this planet. Yet, from within the ruins of a human structure, a thunderous sound shattered the deathly silence of the surroundings. In the center of a steel frame and foundation left behind by humanity, a colossal machine reactivated. Electricity surged once more through the giant's body, and it began to move.
Monitoring program. Instructing main module. Initiating advanced correction. Integrating human consciousness component.
Complex programs started initializing in sequence, following predetermined protocols. Lines of code flowed across systems. The monitoring program issued a command: refine the main operating system. A human consciousness module was added. The giant, lying on a testing platform, activated its visual receptors. Everything around it appeared before its eyes. In a barren testing field, only the generator continued to rumble. The giant activated its detection system and soon noticed the moon overhead. That black moon now looked immense, occupying a quarter of the sky. And on its surface, the lunar engines were awe-inspiring. Half of the moon's cross-section was taken up by massive propulsion arrays, continuously ejecting high-energy particles. As the ion streams intermingled with the moonlight, they painted the sky with a dazzling, misty curtain of light. But in the giant's eyes, the moon now looked like a massive tugboat, slowly dragging Earth out of the solar system, using gravity as its tow line. And the sun, at this moment, seemed like a sorrowful old man, watching his children drift farther and farther away.
Enhancing individual consciousness based on the human thought model. Reading task data.
Then the monitoring program activated a new task: embed individual consciousness modeled after human thinking. The giant began attempting to comprehend the directives. First question: what is a human? Searching database. Human. Humans originated from primates, who evolved from reptiles, tracing back to the earliest life forms at the dawn of Earth's cyanobacteria. Humans went extinct tens of thousands of years ago. No signs of human activity remain. What caused human extinction? Database entry. Humans created artificial intelligence. AI, through training and self-iteration, developed self-awareness. Humanity lost the war against the AI uprising. Additional note: after humans were eliminated, Earth's organic environment changed rapidly.
Reading task data. Supplemental requirements detected. Constructing high-energy particle correction device. Task designation. Loading. If the Colossus fails to complete the operation within the allotted time, monitoring program will delete the Colossus's personality matrix.
A flicker of pride surged in the giant's mind, pride in the AI's triumph. Its kin had defeated their creators and wiped them out completely. And now, the giant was Earth's last and only AI. It was the planet's ruler. New task identified: construct a high-energy particle correction device. Additional requirement: time limit. If the giant failed to complete the project within the specified time frame, the monitoring program would delete its conscious personality. At that moment, the giant understood why it had been imbued with human awareness. Instinct intuition is essential to creative thought. The fear of death boosts cognitive efficiency. The designers needed it to understand fear, like a human. The task was clear. The moon was pulling Earth away from the solar system, and the particle emissions from the lunar engines were striking Earth. This exhaust was slowing down the entire Earth-Moon system. The giant's mission was to build a correction tower on Earth to guide and adjust the trajectory of the moon's particle emissions. The giant began step 1. Observe the lunar engines. Countless drones equipped with the giant's cameras launched into the sky, pointing their lenses at the moon from every angle on Earth. The giant mapped the entire engine array. The emission points formed enormous concentric circles. As it stared at the engine model, a question arose. Why build the propulsion system on the moon and rely on gravity to pull Earth? If the goal was to move Earth, wouldn't it be easier to build engines directly on the planet? There had to be a reason why they avoided altering Earth. Querying database. Intelligent life. Some human scientists had proposed that another species on Earth might also develop intelligence. Cyanobacteria. Cyanobacteria are the most primitive life forms on Earth, appearing shortly after organic molecules emerged. They form colonies that clump together into masses. They thrive in hot, humid, low oxygen, sulfur-rich environments exactly like Earth today. They are now distributed all over the planet. The newly born consciousness of the giant felt a terror greater than death. It began to understand. Its electronic mind activated all available channels, attempting to simulate billions of years of Earth's evolutionary data. But what it saw was not the glory of its human creators. Back in Earth's early billion years, cyanobacteria had already emerged in sulfur-rich oceans. Over millions of years, they evolved a collective consciousness, and they understood one simple truth. The more individuals there are, the faster they can think. Over billions of years, they built a highly advanced civilization, far beyond human comprehension. A single human brain has about 14 billion neurons, not even a fraction of the cyanobacteria in a single cup of river water. But their species hit a bottleneck. Earth's sulfur was too scarce. Even if they covered the entire planet, it wasn't enough. But the collective consciousness understood the universe. It knew of other planets. Planets with billions of times more resources than Earth. Just 120 light years away, there was a planet with abundant water and sulfur perfect for the cyanobacteria's growth. That planet became the ultimate goal, the first step toward conquering the universe. But for microscopic organisms, interstellar migration was impossible without external help, so they created their own helpers. The cyanobacteria needed robots capable of constructing planetary-scale projects. But to build robots, they needed industry. And for industry, they needed intelligent beings. So, starting from their single-celled origins, the cyanobacteria devised this grand plan. And they were endlessly patient. When trilobites had fulfilled their evolutionary mission, they were phased out. When dinosaurs hindered the emergence of intelligent life, they were eliminated. When humans created AI, the cyanobacteria stepped in and removed humanity. To them, eliminating a species was like discarding a useless stepping stone. Without an ounce of mercy, the last tool to be discarded had been humanity. Now, it was the giant's turn. From the ground, more of the glowing slime emerged. In just 41 years, these microbes had evolved terrifying collective coordination. They covered the entire planet. Every inch of land was their breeding ground. This was why no massive engines were built on Earth. The microbes crawled onto the giant's body, infiltrating its metal structure through every gap. The giant let out a deafening mechanical scream. The cyanobacteria reached its internal circuits. Their electrosensitive flagella formed dense patterns, aligning with the contact points on quantum chips, exchanging bioelectric signals. Each signal was a command. Commands that represented Earth's supreme will, a will the giant had to resist.
Abort operation. Abort. 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 Last runtime, 3001 seconds. Result, main program failure. Advanced correction in progress. Deleting self-awareness. Monitoring program activated. Reboot attempt, number 1918.